Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, now welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes, and today I am going to learn about the cross multiplication method. That means how to solve the simultaneous linear equation by using this method. This is exercise 5.3 from the book of ML Agarwal. So here problem number 1, 2. Now here there are two equations. First equation is 3x minus 7y plus 10 equal to 0, and second equation y minus 2x equal to 3. Now the first step is we have to arrange the number. That means the right hand side of each and every equation always be 0. So in the first equation the right hand side will be 0, but in the second equation you have to arrange it. So y minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0, and just write down x first, then y, and then the numerical number. So this is the second equation. Now we have to just write down coefficient of them in the right hand side. So here 3 minus 7 and 10. So just write down here 3 minus 7 and 10. This is the coefficient of x, its coefficient of y, and is the numerical part. So here minus 2x plus y minus 3. So write down here minus 2, then 1, and here minus 3. Okay, now draw 3 lines and put equal to in between of them. So this is the for x, this is for y, and this is the last one. So write down here 1. Each and every sum you should draw this line and just write down here x, y, and 1. Now first you have to find out the value of x. So to write in the denominator of x, so just first put off the column of x. Okay, then here the column of y and column of 1. So first you have to multiply from right to left. Okay, remember that, right to left and then left to right. So first minus 3 into minus 7. Okay, so I write down here minus 3 into minus 7 and put minus in between of the multiplication. So here 1 into 10. So write down here 1 into 10. Now for y column, so of y column, now in that case you have to multiply left to right. So here minus 2 into 10. So write minus 2 into 10, and here minus always, then minus 3 into 3. Now the last one, so of it, and then right to left again. So 1 into 3 minus, and minus 2 into minus 7. Okay, so always remember that here minus will be always in between of the multiplication, and for x and 1 column you have to right to left, and for y column you have to left to right. So here x by plus 21 minus 10. Next one, here minus 2 into 10, so minus 20. Here minus 3 into 3 minus 9, so plus 9. And here 3, now here minus 7 minus 2, that 14, so minus 14. So that equal to x by 11, that equal to y by minus 11, and that equal to 1 by minus 11. Okay, so here x by 11, here y by minus 11, and here 1 by minus 11. Now to find out the value of x, so just write down 1x by 11 equal to 1 by minus 11, and y by minus 11 equal to 1 by minus 11. Just separate these equations. So here 11 cancel out, and it will be x equal to minus 1, and here minus 11 cancel out, so y equal to 1. So that is the value of x, and that is the value of y. Now sum number 2, 2. So first equation here 2bx plus ay equal to 2ab. Second equation bx minus ay equal to 4ab. So just arrange it. So write down here 2bx plus ay minus 2ab equal to 0. Right side always be 0. And here bx minus ay minus 4ab, and that equal to 0. Now just write down the coefficient. So here 2b, then a, and then minus 2ab. It's x, y, and it's 1. And next one b minus a and minus 4ab. Okay, so again x, y, and 1, y, x. So for x, then from right to left, so minus 4ab into a, minus 4ab into a, then minus a into minus 2b, so minus a into minus 2b. Now for y, from left to right, so b into b into minus 2ab, then minus again, and minus 4ab into 2ab. So 2b into minus 4ab. Now for 1 from right to left, so minus a into 2b and then minus a into b. So here write down ab. Okay, now x by it's 4a square b and here minus 2a square b. Now next one for y, minus 2ab square, here plus 4 to 8, 8ab square. Now last one, minus 2ab minus ab. So that equal to x by minus 6a square b, here minus 6x square b, here plus 6ab square, and the last one minus 3ab. Okay, so just find out the value of x. So write down this one and this one, and for y, so y by 6ab square, and that equal to 1 by minus 3ab. Okay, now here minus minus cancel out, 3 6 2, a cancel out, bb, so that becomes x by 2a equal to 1. So from that x equal to 2a, and here 3 cancel out with 2, so a and is b. So here y by 2b, so y equal to minus 2b, as here minus here, so y equal to minus 2b.
So it's exercise 5.4 and here sum number 2(1). The first equation is 7x minus 2y by xy that equal to 5, and second one 8x plus 7y by xy that equal to 15. Okay, so from the first equation you will get 7 by y minus 2 by x that equal to 5, and from the second one 8 by y plus 7 by x that equal to 15. Now let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. So if 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v, then the first equation will be minus 2u plus 7v and that equal to 5, and the second equation will be 7u plus 8v and that equal to 15. Now I am going to solve this equation by elimination method. So I just first multiply the first equation with 7 and the second equation with 2 to equal the coefficient of u. So here minus 14u plus 49v that equal to 35, and second one plus 14u plus 16v and that equal to 30. Now from that equation you will get 65v equal to 65, so v equal to 1. Now as v equal to 1, then you can find out the value of u, and here u equal to also 1. Now as let x equal to 1 by u, that means if the value of u equal to 1, then x equal to 1 by 1 that equal to 1, and y equal to 1 by v, and the value of v equal to 1, then y equal to also 1. Now the next problem, sum number 3(2). In sum number 3(2), a same kind of problem. For first equation 3x plus 5y equal to 4xy, and that equal to 3x plus 5y by xy and that equal to 4. Okay, now next 2y minus x that equal to xy, then it will be 2y minus x by xy and that equal to 1. Okay, now if 3x plus 5y divided by xy, then it will be 3y plus 5 by x and that equal to 4. And second equation, if 2y minus x divided by xy, then it will be 2 by x minus 1 by y and that equal to 1. Now same thing, yeah, here 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. So now the equation will be 5a plus 3b equal to 4 and 2u minus v equal to 1. Now I am going to solve this equation by elimination method. So I just multiply the first equation with 2 and the second equation with 5, and then here the value of v equal to 3 by 11. So here v equal to 3 by 11. Now if you put down this value in the equation, then you will get the value of u, and here u equal to 7 by 11. Now from that you can find out the value of x and y respectively. Now we have the next one, 3 by x plus y equal to 2 by x minus y that equal to 3, and second equation 2 by x plus y plus 3 by x minus y that equal to 11 by 3. Now in these two equation, here the common thing is 1 by x plus y and 1 by x minus y. So let 1 by x plus y that equal to u and 1 by x minus y and that equal to v. So the given equation will be now change into 3u plus 2v that equal to 3, first equation, and the second equation 2u plus 3v that equal to 11 by 3. Now I am going to solve this equation by elimination method. So from that you will get v equal to 1. Now just put down this v in the any equation and you can find out the value of u. Here the value of u equal to 1 by 3. So now as 1 by x plus y that equal to u, so 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 3 and 1 by x minus y that equal to 1. Now from that equation you can easily find out the value of x and y separately. Okay. Now the last one, 5 to 1 by 2 x plus y plus 5 by 3 3x minus 2y that equal to minus 3 by 2. That's the first equation. And second one, 5 by 4 into x plus 2y minus 3 by 5 into 3x minus 2y that equal to 61 by 60. So here 1 by x plus 2y that equal to u and 1 by 3x minus 2y that equal to v. So now the equation will be u by 2 plus 5v by 3 and that equal to minus 3 by 2. And second one, 5u by 4 minus 3v by 5 and that equal to 61 by 60. So finally we'll get 3u plus 10v equal to minus 9 and 75u minus 36v that equal to 61. Now going to solve this equation by elimination method. So first multiply 25 with the first equation and then multiply 1 with the second equation to equal the coefficient of u. So finally you will get the value of v equal to minus 1 and from that you will get the value of u also and that will be 1 by 3. So here 1 by x plus 2y that equal to 1 by 3 by cross multiply x plus 2y equal to 3. And here 1 by 3x minus 2y that equal to minus 1. So from that you will get 3x minus 2y equal to minus 1. So now we are going to solve these two equation as x plus 2y equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y equal to minus 1. So you will get x equal to half. So if x equal to half, then from the equation x plus 2y equal to 3, you can find out the value of y also, and here the value of y equal to 5 by 4.